right, so in front of us, we have the brand new Celebrate the Saga Galactic Republic set. I believe these were an Amazon exclusive. I don't normally buy 3 3/4 scale figures, but I just kind of had to because they were all troopers. So for lack of a better term there. So that is why I picked them up. It was a pretty good price. Of course, these are not Black Series figures that we're used to seeing on the channel, so these guys are not going to have the articulation that we would expect from our Black Series figures. So let's go ahead and take a look at the outside of the box real quick. You can see that we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 figures. We'll turn around to the back. We'll go ahead and read what we've got about each one of these figures on that side there. You can see we've got the names of them on that side. And then on this side, we've got the Galactic Republic. Along with the Celebrate the Saga, there's quite a few other packs like this that have exclusives in different locations. So I believe Target had some exclusives and Walmart had some exclusives. These are the only ones I'm going to pick up, only because I wanted the troopers. So as you can see, we've got the Galactic Republic here, and I'll go ahead and read what it says on the back. We've got Supreme Chancellor Palpatine created a grand army of the Republic, featuring legions of clone troopers, massive star cruisers, and advanced weaponry. And you can see we're going to have a 501st Legion Trooper, Phase 1 Clone Trooper, Shock Trooper, Commander Cody, and an OOM-10, or OOM-10. And I'm going to be the first one to admit I did not know this figure. I haven't gotten that far through the Clone Wars yet, so that's why I don't know that much about this figure. But we are in the process of watching them, so don't hate me. And as we're going through this, if you have any questions, please feel free to ask. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, but definitely ask questions if you have them. I try to answer them as quickly as possible based on my work schedule. So let's go ahead and pull these out. Really curious to see what these figures are like. Obviously, like I said, I'm not expecting Black Series quality here. Yeah, all of these have some sort of a blaster. I guess I should keep them with the respective figure. Wow, it's been so long since I've held a 3 3/4 figure. Wow. I'll go ahead and bring out a Black Series figure just for scale for those of you that collect Black Series 6-inch figures. Battle droid, stand up. All right, well, we'll fix that. We'll definitely clean everything up and take a look at what we've got with these figures here. I don't know if we're going to spend a lot of time with each of them in particular. Hopefully, if we take a look at one, all the other ones will be the same as well. So I'll be right back. I'm going to go ahead and clean it up a little bit, and we'll take a closer look at the figures. All right, so let's take a closer look at the figures here. We've got the Phase 1 Trooper. There's not much articulation at all. So knees don't bend, elbows don't bend, head does turn. There's no articulation there on the bottom. However, he does have the pegs, so maybe we can get some pegs together and get them to stand up. So as far as the pistol, the blaster is concerned, that's about as good as you're going to get. You're not going to get any two-handed holds or anything like that. And you're definitely going to have to work on the poses. The droid there, I cannot get him to stand up yet. I'll probably use some museum putty or something like that to get him to stand up as well. But the figures themselves, I mean, they look cool. So if you plan on having them standing up, which that's the way I'm going to have them, you know, they'll work out. But yeah, no articulation whatsoever. So let's go ahead and get the blasters in hand. That way we can take a look at them. I'm not going to do a normal Black Series review where I take a look at every single pose that we can possibly do. You that doesn't make sense for these guys. So, if you're interested in picking them up, if you like Troopers, this is probably a good set. But yeah, so really, that's the articulation. The head will spin around. Hey, it's better than I thought it would do. Arms do go up, and legs, and that's it. Backpack does come off of him. And we got Cody here. So antenna, pack comes off. Put that back on. And again, we're not moving left and right or anything like that. So yeah, that's what we got there. He's got a good pose though. Can't complain. And then the 501st here. Yeah, that's that. Guess put his blaster in hand. Get him to stand up. So yeah, that's that. I guess what we could do here is get a Black Series figure just so we can see scale. It's a wee little baby. So there you go. As far as scale, that's the difference between the Black Series 6-inch line and a 3 3/4 line. Now I know that these aren't typical black 3 3/4 figures. They will have more articulation, but yeah. So that is that. If you have any questions about these figures, please feel free to ask down below. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and I invite you to subscribe to the channel. We do a lot of Star Wars, the Black Series figures, but we also do, as you can see, other Star Wars things as well. So with that, have a great day.